Hi, I'm Tracy Fruehauf. I'm the executive assistant and office manager and task fairy at Floodgate Medical. So a mutual friend who works at Floodgate knew that they were looking for an executive assistant. He also knew that I had just finished my resume, and it all lined up that what they needed was what I wanted to do. So here we are. I'm motivated by serving the people who serve the people. Every day, our team members are improving lives by uniting clients with candidates and giving them life-changing job opportunities. And my job is to make sure that they're supported and have everything they need to do that well. I love our team. Everyone is so fun, so collaborative. We're here for a good time and here for good work. Everyone works really hard. They're hustlers, and that energy really feeds me. So our team, we have a good time together while doing good things. I love to sip from coconuts and swing from my hammock between two palm trees. That's pretty much what I do when I go home. Or I take care of my 4 kids and go to their sports and run them to all their things. Spend time with my family. Love the outdoors. Love to go along Bayshore and soak up the fresh air and get some exercise too.